Genesis Series range was designed to be the strongest heavy-duty restaurant range in the market. It has a 100% stainless steel interior, the heaviest gauge oven rack system, bakery depth for the convection ovens, high and low speed, on or off, to allow for delicate baking operations that you can get. The door, 100% completely welded, heavy-duty hinges, strong enough for any type of cooking platform and weight that you may put on the product. This product was designed to be very, very durable. 100% interlocking frame mechanism, completely welded together to give it its strength and durability for as long as you own your restaurant. The flexible, removable shelf systems were designed to support heavy-duty weights, 150 pounds per shelf, to a maximum of 300 pounds on a dual shelf system. It also incorporates the VT burner technology. The VT burner was designed to improve the energy efficiency of your range top. Here we see a 16,000 BTU burner with the capability of functioning as hot as a 30,000 BTU range. Heavy-duty cast grates, manufactured for the heaviest pots and pans with 3/4 inch diameter fingers, all cast steel, made 100% in the factory. 100% in the factory means that we control our quality, our durability, the materials that we use on our products, and support of our customers in the field.